Hello everyone. Today we are going to do questions based upon the identity a plus b is into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In DAV book it is worksheet number 3 which is based on this identity. I am taking few questions from worksheet 3 to explain the concept to you. So see, like I am taking one of the questions like find the product. I am moving from simple to complex. 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y by using suitable identity. So let's start doing this question. Solution. First, I have written in one bracket 2x plus 7y, in other bracket 2x minus 7y. What do you observe here? That it is appearing like this is first term and this is the first term. Same, second term, same. Only there is the difference of sign. So we will use the identity. Using identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 2x, so it will be 2x whole square minus b is 7y whole square. Do not forget to write this bracket, because if you will not write the bracket, it will appear that it is square of only x. Now square of 2 is 2 2s are 4 and square of x will also be there. Minus 7 7s are 49 and square of y will also be there. Now I am taking one more question. Question number 2. There are other questions also which can be solved by you. I am just giving you the concept clarity. Find the product. Here now I am taking a question in which fractional numbers are involved. X upon 3 minus y upon 2 into x upon 3 plus y upon 2. So simple it is also, because only the identity is involved. You can see here x plus 3 is the same, y upon 2 is the same. So I am writing once the question: x upon 3 minus y upon 2 into x upon 3 plus y upon 2. Here in place of x we have x upon 3, or I can say in place of a I have x upon 3, in place of b I have y upon 2. Your main work is to identify the question. Using identity, you may write a minus b also earlier into a plus b. Not necessary that you are to write a plus b only first. It is equal to a square minus b square. So a square is x upon 3 whole square minus y upon 2 whole square. So it becomes x square upon 3 3s are 9 minus y square upon 2 2s are 4. Now based upon the same, I am doing one another question. Question number 3rd. 2 questions I have done. One more I am doing. This is evaluate या find product. Evaluate, or you can write find product by using suitable identity. So this is 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2n. Solution, again I am writing the question, 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2 n. So you can identify that it is a minus b into a plus b. Using identity a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here in place of a we have 0.1 m. So I am writing 0.1 m whole square minus 0.2 n whole square. Already you have done that 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01. It is m square minus 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04 n square. Square of n will also be there because it is whole square. Now after doing these, I am doing the questions based upon the numbers. Question number 4. I am doing some parts of question number 2 of worksheet 3. Evaluate. Like I have written here 290 whole square minus 210 whole square. Solution, 290 whole square minus 210 whole square. What are you observing here? That it is the identity a square minus b square. In place of a we have 290, in place of b we have 210. So I am writing using identity a square minus b square. It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b will be what? A is 290 plus b is 210. Then 290 and b is 210. So a plus b into a minus b. Now you will add these. 290 plus 210 is 500 and this is 80. Now how to multiply? 5 8s are 40. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 40,000 is the answer of this. One more question. Evaluate using suitable identity. Evaluate using suitable identity. There will be the same procedure in all the questions of question number 2, 367 square, all the parts of question number 2, 33 square. Again it will be done the same way. Solution, 367 square minus 33 square. So I can see that it is a square minus b square. Writing the identity using identity a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? 367 plus what is b here? 33. Similarly 367 minus 33. So you will add these. 400 into 367 minus 33, 7 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 3, 3 and this is 3. Now you will multiply 334 with 4. This is 1336 and 00. Right? So this way rest all parts can also be done. Now I am taking one question which is involving product by expressing these as difference of squares. So question, simplify the following products. Simplify the following products by expressing these as difference of squares. I am taking here two parts. First part, suppose I take 107 into 93. Then another part B, I will take 195 into 205. One more part I will take here C. It is 12.4 into 11.6. So I am doing these three parts. Rest parts can be done accordingly. Solution A part, 107 into 93. So you can write 107 as 100 plus 7. 93 will also be written like this, only sign change will be there. So 100 minus 7 makes 93. Now you can observe here that it has become a plus b into a minus b. So using identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so a square is 100 square minus b square is 7 square. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 49. You can subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 49. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 4, 5. Here 9, here 9, here cross. 9, 9, 5, 1. So this way such question will be done. B part I am doing 195 into 205. अब 195 जो है वो 200 के नज़दीक है, तो आप इसे 200 माइनस 5 लिख सकते हो, और 205 को क्या लिख सकते हो, 200 प्लस 5. यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी लगा दो भाई. यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी, ज़रूरी नहीं आप a प्लस बी पहले लिखो, a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, और ये बन गया ए स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर. तो ए स्क्वेयर क्या हो गया, 200 का स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर मीन्स 5 का स्क्वेयर. तो 2 2 ज़ार 4 और 4 जीरोज लग जाएंगी साथ में, बिकॉज डबल 0 0 का स्क्वेयर है माइनस 25. अब माइनस कर दो, 10 माइनस 5 5, 9 माइनस 2 7, ये 9, ये 9 और ये 3. 39,975. सी पार्ट करो अब पॉइंट्स वाला. 12.4 इंटू 11.6. सो सिंपल. 12 प्लस 0.4, अगर 12 में मैं 0.4 ऐड करूं तो ये आएगा, और सिमिलरली 12 में से सेम ही नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे 0.4 तो ये आएगा. अब फिर से वही आइडेंटिटी बन गई. यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी, a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, इट इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर. तो इट इज 12 का होल स्क्वेयर माइनस 0.4 का होल स्क्वेयर. तो 12 का होल स्क्वेयर क्या होता है, 144, और 0.4 का होल स्क्वेयर ये देखो 0.4 इंटू 0.4, 4 4 ज़ार 16, 1 2, 2 डिजिट बैक डेसिमल यानी 0.16. अब सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करना है, डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है, 2 डिजिट्स है, तो आप इसको 144.00 लिख लो, और ये बन दो 0.16 बना दो. 10 माइनस 6 4, 9 माइनस 1 8.34, दिस ये बन गया 143.84. नाउ इन वर्कशीट 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हैज 6 parts, question number 2 has 6 parts, and question number 3 also has 6 parts. If you have understood these questions clearly, you will be able to do all the parts very easily without any problem. Still, if you find any problem, do share with me. I will do the solutions wherever you will find the difficulty. Thank you very much, and you must try all the questions.